Welcome to Kids' YouTube channel. Today we learn about the difference between can or could. The verb can is used to express some sort of ability, opportunity, request, or to even grant permission to show possibility.
Let's go.
I can swim. I can speak 3 languages. Can I eat? Smoking can cause cancer. She can play the piano. I can send this letter for you. Uses of could. We use could to show that something is possible but not certain. Here is some examples. Could I use your pen? Could I borrow your notebook? I could smell something burning. I could play the guitar when I was a child. Can I help you? Can I go to the park? We could study well. Could I speak to Mary?